In a globalized economy, financial decisions increasingly cross borders. Companies, investors, and advisors need professionals who can analyze, value, and finance businesses in an international context. This program is designed for participants who want to understand how corporate finance operates in a globalized economy. It is highly recommended if you are considering a career in investment banking, corporate finance, or financial advisory. It's also very useful if you want to strengthen your technical foundations through professional exposure. The main objective is to combine pivotal financial concepts with practical application. You will learn key investment banking tools, namely financial analysis and valuation. You will also explore topics including startup financing, debt and hybrid instruments, and M&A, illustrated by recent international case studies. By the end of the program, participants will be able to apply investment banking tools, assess financial performance, and understand how companies make financial decisions involving equity and debt. You will gain practical insight into valuation methods, fundraising strategies, and of course, M&A transactions. For that, you will learn directly from the experience of CEOs, CFOs, and investment bankers. You will also understand how they work together despite differing interests. This program was created and taught by leading HEC professors and enriched by guest speakers from the industry. The program offers you a sound and practical approach to international corporate finance. See you soon at HEC Paris.